stop playing with him.
Jada Vinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking.
Yeah, come on. Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You know
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jada Vinci here with a spring vibey festival-y. It's just a super cute makeup look. I've got a full face of makeup on, but it looks natural, it feels natural. I feel like I don't have on any makeup minus the lashes. But yeah, if you're interested in my makeup routine and how I beat my face, then keep watching. Yeah, we're gonna do a springtime nice dewy skin full coverage makeup look. So it's gonna be super cute, very easy, very wearable. I'm gonna do a talk through so you guys can totally understand everything that's going on, because I'm like, if I could do it, you could do it, we could all do it. So the first thing I'm gonna be using is the Melanie Mills. This is by Melanie Mills in collaboration with Sandra Deluxe. Leaves my skin dewy. I don't have any primer on my face, I'm just wearing Lubriderm lotion. So this is, as you guys can see, making my skin look nice, dewy, luminous. But I don't know if you guys can tell, it leaves my skin nice, healthy, glowy. You see, it's nice and glowy. We're gonna go on with our concealer, which is going to be Fenty in the color 300. I'm gonna just zoom you guys in so you guys can actually see what's going on. We haven't done our brows, anything, but we're gonna put on our concealer. If you had an even lighter concealer, it would be better. We're gonna bring the concealer all the way up, sides of the nose, forehead. All right, we're gonna go on with our NARS in the color Hazelnut. I used to do my makeup like this back in college and high school days. Now what we're gonna do is begin blending everything out. We're gonna blend this out with the BH Cosmetics No. 8 brush, and this all came in a kit that I got. I bought the kit. The kit was like $12 and the kit's bomb. Yeah, recently I've been doing a lot of contouring on my face, because I am pregnant going into my 6th month and your girl has gotten big. I am getting huge. Let me show you guys my bump. Getting huge, guys. Oh, the baby's moving. My mother-in-law was like, contour, contour, contour. And I was like, you're right, I forgot all about contour. So yeah, I've been contouring my life away. Contour, contour, contour. So what we're gonna do now is go in with our foundation, because you see, we need to further blend our face. So I'm gonna just go in with my medium 62 Kat Von D. You could use any foundation you like, but I'm gonna go in with that same brush that I used to do my contour. No, I am not. But yeah, going in with the foundation on the back of my hand. Got us a clean looking brush. I'm gonna just like dab it in there and then begin blending everything out and together. But the foundation just merges, blends everything together. I'm using super cheap brushes, so you don't have to go out and spend a ton of money on a brush when you guys can just go to BH Cosmetics and get everything you'll ever need from there. Do you guys see how bomb this skin looks right now? Like, skin is a full goal. For an even more snatched look, we'll just blend it out a bit. So we're not gonna go in and set our face right now, because we're gonna go in and put a bit more concealer under our eyes after we are done with our actual eyes. For my brows, I'm gonna use my favorite product ever, the Lorac Take a Brow. I absolutely love it. When I say I love this product, I love this product. But I can't talk and do my brows. Okay, so this is a powder product. I noticed that I never have problems. Hold on, let me just fix this. Like, I never have problems with this product sticking on my brows all day. But if you're a girl who sweats a lot, I don't know, if you are, you could go in with the gel that they have here. I don't use it because I personally don't need it. And if you watch any of my videos, you know that I do not get my eyebrows done. Absolutely don't get my eyebrows done unless it's a special occasion. Like the last time I got my eyebrows done was my wedding. We're gonna go in with a bit of this biscuit and put it on our lid. I have not finished my base for my face yet. I'm gonna finish my base after my eye makeup is done. We're gonna be using the James Charles palette with these shades, like, and it's brown. But first I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M45 brush. Dark orangey shade right here. So we're gonna just pack that all over the lid. So we're gonna do this same thing to the other eye. We're gonna go in with our Morphe M441 brush and begin diffusing the edges. I don't have anything on this brush. You can also go in with this super light orange shade, kind of like Another Dimension. Do that same thing. Then we're gonna go in with this darker shade next. Dark's not really springy, but you know the nighttime still has to come around. You gonna know that. Is it to your desired look? I'm gonna go in with that same orange shade that I was digging, that light one. No cut crease, no nothing. So you could add a bit more depth to your eye right here if you want it a bit darker. Oh, nice. Face this, face. I haven't used it as a highlighter yet, so we're gonna use it now. He's talked greatly about it. We could go in with this NARS. We could. I just need something light. That's not light enough for me. Our BH Cosmetics in the shade number 13, the lightest concealer I own at the moment. Blend it out. Okay, so I'm gonna just tap this under my eyes. This is the Rihanna. So lastly, what I'm gonna be doing is going over Cover FX pressed powder, places that we highlighted, contoured, foundationed with a pressed powder R skin complexion. Makeup is up to you. The vibes are endless. I love saying it. Makeup is up to you. The vibes are always endless. Okay, so for our contour, we're gonna be using our favorite. This is my favorite black Radiance True Complexion. You could just use whatever you like. Whatever you like that floats your boat is what you'll use. And begin blending everything together because ultimately we want a seamless finish. Let's just have the perfect everything, perfect skin. Wide, I absolutely love it. We're gonna use this little brownie shade. That's the only shade that I use. I'm gonna use this face highlight in the James Charles palette because he talks a good game about it. So let's see what it looks like on our face. We're gonna just add something a bit more popping on top. How many carats? That's because we needed some more razzle dazzle. So I'm gonna take my Jurlique setting spray. You guys watch any of my videos, you know I love this stuff. We're gonna overspray our face. I'm gonna show you guys how much I'm spray. Okay, put my lashes on off camera, then I'll be back. Final look. It's really like a, I would say it's springy because the sun is out in spring and the sun is orange. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up if you'd like to see more makeup tutorials. Let me know what kind of looks, what color looks you are interested in seeing in the future. And I'll see you guys next time. I gotta go eat.
Smoke by the ounce, boy, I'm smoking by the clone. No breakfast in bed, give me that head. Eat it like dessert and we gon' need a new spread. Cause I don't care what you think. Cause I got all this money on me. Burn tree, get green like guacamole. Cash cry like a